Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all be well friends. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon after subscribing. So let's start today's video. Most of us know that we only benefit from drinking hot water in the morning, and many people know that using honey can improve our skin. But do you know that if honey is mixed with hot water, its nutritional value increases significantly? Yes, by drinking honey and hot water, we feel refreshed throughout the day, and our health is also fine. If we talk about all diet experts, they believe that honey is more effective than the rest of the food, so that our hair and our skin always remain fit, and you will always look young. Instead of using honey like this, you should use it with hot water, so that you will be able to take maximum benefit from it. We are going to tell you the benefits of using honey with warm water every morning in this video. Let's know how to make honey and hot water. Ingredients: 1 or 2 teaspoons, 15 to 30 grams of honey, 1 cup, 240 milliliters of hot water. Method: first, heat the water on a microwave or gas. If heating in the microwave, let the water remain in it for 1 to 2 minutes. Or if you are on gas, then wait for the water to boil. Now store the water in a vessel and wait for it to cool down. Keep in mind that water should not be too cold. Just keep it warm. Now add 1 or 2 spoons of honey to the pot of hot water. If you do not like too sweet, you can use the same spoon of honey. Then shake the honey thoroughly with a spoon. Now taste the mixture of honey and hot water, and if needed, add honey again. Now drink a mixture of honey and hot water hot. Benefits of drinking honey and hot water: 1. Weight loss. Drinking honey water reduces your weight because 100 grams of honey contains 305 calories, so you do not feel hungry for long, and you lose fat. 2. Hajma is good. Honey is very good for our digestive system. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties so that we do not have stomach problems. 3. Increased immunity. Honey contains lots of enzymes, vitamins and minerals. It protects our body system from harmful bacteria and increases the ability to fight against diseases. Being a good antioxidant, it always keeps our skin fresh, which enhances it. 4. Prevention of allergy. Using honey and hot water does not collect bacteria in any part of your body, due to which you do not have problems related to allergies. 5. Get instant energy. By consuming honey and hot water every day, you get energized so that you feel refreshed and fit throughout the day. 6. Relaxation and phlegm. Hot water and honey give you relief from burning sensation in phlegm and throat. If you use it daily, then this problem will gradually decrease. 7. Keeping the heart healthy. Drinking honey water lowers your cholesterol level, thereby lowering your blood pressure, and you do not have heart-related diseases. Knowing the benefits of drinking honey and hot water, you must have got the inspiration to drink it in the morning. The use of honey and hot water is beneficial for your brain, heart and whole body. If you have not included it in your routine yet, then after knowing the benefits of honey and hot water, include it in your diet and experience its benefits, and tell us your experience in the comment box below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Friends, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon after subscribing. See you in next video with new topic.